Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. I've never done anything like this on my channel, but I just purchased my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So first off, let me say that I am not a techie person, so I'm not going to go into detail about all of the technical features on the phone. I'm just going to do an unboxing really. This is my first iPhone. I am a avid Android Galaxy user, and I decided to switch over to see what all the hype was about, and when I saw the phone I actually liked it and decided to switch. I also purchased a Tauri Magsafe case and screen protector from Amazon, so I'm going to do an installation demo for you guys. Y'all, this screen protector system is amazing. So let's get into the video. So here we have the box that the iPhone comes in. I purchased the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and here's a little bit of footage of me actually opening up the box. I decided to go with the Pro Max because of the camera feature. It offers a 48 megapixel main camera and an all-day battery life. Here is a shot of me taking off the protective paper. I actually re-recorded this. This is so satisfying, but I had already taken it off and decided to re-record it for you guys. Initially, I was going to get the black phone, but once I saw this deep purple, I had to have it. Purple is my favorite color, and it is a really pretty shade. It's almost like an eggplant purple. Sometimes you can take a glance at it and it looks black, and then as you can see in the bottom angle, it looks more purple. In the bottom corner, you can see the startup screen when you first turn it on, and you get your greetings in several different languages. It also has this really pretty ombre purple and black screen. This is different depending on what type of phone you get. And here we have the startup menu, so you select your country, set up your Wi-Fi connection, your cellular data, and your security measures, so your Face ID and your password. One feature that I dislike about the phone so far is the shiny aluminum edges. They are fingerprint magnets. So now let's go over the contents of the box. So here are the instructional contents. If you notice, there is no SIM card removal tool. That's because Apple has made all of the US iPhone models eSIM, which means embedded SIM card. So there is no physical SIM card slot to the iPhone. And then you have the traditional Apple sticker. Another thing that they continue to do with this release is not give you a charging block. So you do get the USB cable cord, but you do not get a charging block. So here I'm just showing you the color of the phone in different lighting. So here you have the home screen, and the star of the home screen with this launch is the new dynamic island that displays numerous iPhone functions, notification, and alerts. It's like a neat little multitasking pop-up. It is the pill-shaped little thing at the top of the phone. This also offers lock screen customization. This is a new feature. It was always present on the Android, but it's new for iPhone users. So you can go in and you can customize the time. You can use different fonts, colors, and customize it to your liking. You can also customize your home screen by adding different widgets. They also have different customizable lock screens. You can get really creative and choose different designs for your lock screen, which is always a great feature to have. So here you guys, I'm showing you the different features and functions of the camera. I apologize in advance because I did not get really good quality shots of this. Unfortunately, you guys can't really see it, but the camera quality is top notch. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max features 3 different cameras. So you have the ultra wide camera, where they say you get 3 times better low light photos. Then you have the main camera where you get 2 times better light in low light photos. And then the telephoto camera as well. So it has 3 different cameras, and the main camera is 48 megapixels, which is amazing. These shots are not doing it justice. Again, I apologize for that, but hey, that is the reason for the new purchase of the iPhone. So the camera functions, it offers time-lapse, slow-mo, cinematic, video, photo, portrait, panorama, the whole nine, and the quality is amazing. Okay, y'all, and now for the second star of the show, we have the Tauri 5-in-1 system. So I purchased this from Amazon for $17.99, and for $17.99, y'all, this packaging is amazing. The contents are amazing, and I give it a 5-star review. Okay, so I've taken everything out, and I'm going to tell you everything that this system comes with. So they give you 2 cute little stickers. I'm probably going to give these to my kids. I would never put this on my case, but they do come with stickers. Then it comes with this guide. They call it an alignment installation border. You just put it around your phone when you're applying the screen protector, and it just makes sure that it goes on straight. It comes with 2 camera lens protectors. I only have one in the video because I gave the other one to my husband. These have pros and cons from what I've heard, but I'm gonna try it out and see how I like it. And then we have this little installation kit that contains alcohol wipes, a microfiber towel, and stickers. The stickers are really important, and I'll let you know why in a minute. It comes with 2, count them, 2 tempered glass screen protectors that are scratch and shatter resistant. And last but not least, it comes with a clear phone case or the phone case of your choice. I chose the clear one. It also says it is non-yellowing, but the jury is still out on that. It also comes with the Magsafe magnet that I will explain later. The phone case has this little orange paper on the inside, and what this does is allow you to align the magnet in the proper position. On the inside of that paper, there is also contact information. So if you have any missing items or any issues with your order, you can contact them at the email provided, and they will respond within 24 hours. They suggest that you watch the video before trying to install your screen protector. It is vital. Okay, you guys, so I am about to install my screen protector, my camera lens protector. So I have a microfiber towel that I'm going to be putting on the table just to protect my phone from sliding. So here we have the installation accessory kit, and again, please watch the video before attempting to do this. The video made this so easy, and I was able to do it with no problem. So here we have 2 alcohol pads, the microfiber towel, and 2 of the stickers. And they call them dust absorbers, but they are really important, and they made sure that I did not have any lint, hair, or fingerprints on the screen before applying the screen protector. So now I'm taking the alcohol wipes, and I am going to thoroughly wipe down the phone screen. Now I'm going to take the microfiber towel, and I am going to absorb all of the alcohol and buff the screen. This just ensures that there is no debris or fingerprints on the screen before applying the screen protector. Now I'm going to take the guard, and it is marked top and bottom, so you know exactly where to place it at, and I'm going to place this on the phone. This is not going to snap on the phone, it's just going to sit on top of it. So I suggest having your screen protector out and ready to go, just so that you're able to move fast and efficiently, and you're not, blowing around any excess dust on top of your screen once you've wiped it down. So I'm wiping it down one more time. And then I'm going to take the sticker or the dust absorber, and you're going to bend it in half. And you're going to tap it along the screen just to remove any dust or hair or anything that you see on the screen. You may have to hold the guard down while you do this. Just make sure that you're not adding any fingerprints while doing so. Now you're going to take your screen protector, remove that adhesive backing, and you're going to place it right on top of your phone. The guide really helps with this, but if you feel like you don't have it directly and it does land on the guard, you can maneuver it slightly. Then you're going to take your finger, you're going to slide it down the middle of your phone and watch the magic happen. It's like the screensaver just magically adheres to the screen, no problem. Take your finger, swipe it down the middle, and I'm not sure if you guys did see that, but you could see where the screen protector started to adhere. Then you're going to remove the guard, and that is it. Your screen protector is on flawlessly. I have never ever been able to apply screen protectors without there being any type of dust or debris underneath. My screen protectors are always jacked up. This was flawless, you guys. Absolutely flawless and so simple. So again, there you have it. My screen protector is on straight. It looks amazing, and I am so glad that I decided to buy this kit. Okay, y'all, so we're going to repeat those same steps for the camera lens protector. You're going to take your alcohol wipe, your sticker, your microfiber towel, and you're going to repeat the process. So here, taking the alcohol wipe, I'm going to wipe down my camera lens. Make sure that you get around those lenses really good. Make sure to touch the base because there can be dust and debris stuck in there. Next, taking the microfiber towel and wiping and buffing that out. Now I'm going to take my sticker or dust absorber, and I'm going to make sure that there are no dust or debris on the camera lenses before adding this. The good thing about this is that it snaps on, so if you need to remove this to clean it, you can. It's not like a screen protector where it's sticky. This is actual glass. So I'm going to take my camera lens and I'm just going to snap that on. And I'm going to wipe it down, and that's it. Okay, y'all, so next up I'm going to apply the Magsafe magnet ring. Again, it has an adhesive backing. You have the orange card in there, so it shows you where to align it up perfectly. So the Magsafe magnet is a cool little feature. It has different little various accessories that you can use. It has a Magsafe charger that you can use, and it has different little magnet pop sockets and wallet accessories that you can add to your phone. Okay, y'all, so now that I have all of that complete, I am just going to take my phone and I'm going to put it inside of my phone case. And there you have it. My phone is fully protected. The cameras are protected. My screen is protected. And we are all done. Here I'm just showing you guys a close-up so you guys can see the camera lens protector, the case, the Magsafe magnet ring, and she is a beauty. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that installation demo. I thought that it was important to show because I know when purchasing a new phone, sometimes you don't really know what to buy. It can be hard trying to decide on a phone case, but you guys, this Tauri system is A1. It's only $17.99 and you get so much with it, and it's so worth it. You want to protect your investment. Like, these phones are not cheap, and you want to feel confident that your phone is secure. So again, I will post the link for the Tauri system. I did get it from Amazon, and again, it was $17.99. I'm loving this phone. It is so beautiful. I'm really happy with my purchase. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video as far as the carrier that we went with and how the whole ordeal with purchasing it was. We actually ordered ours, pre-ordered it, and then when they came out on launch day, it was back ordered. And I know that some people are still awaiting theirs. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like today's content, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and share with someone who may be interested in this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.